Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Pokemon GO's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Pokemon GO's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pokemon GO application. The official page of Pokemon GO will appear on the screen. Tap on Returning Player option to log into your Pokemon GO's account. You can sign into your Pokemon GO's account using your Facebook, Google account or your trainer account as well. Tap on any one of the options. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Pokemon GO's account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Trouble Logging In option. This is how you can log into your Pokemon GO's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.